Technical specifications. The Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Home Tool Kit features a 20V max drill/driver with a comprehensive 83-piece accessory set. The drill/driver offers versatility and power for various DIY projects around the home. Additionally, the toolkit includes a 19-inch and 12-inch toolbox bundle, providing ample storage space for organizing and transporting tools. Pros: versatile drill/driver. The 20V Max drill/driver is versatile and powerful, suitable for a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. Comprehensive accessory set. With 83 pieces, the accessory set covers a variety of needs, including drilling, driving, and fastening. Durable toolboxes. The 19-inch and 12-inch toolboxes offer durable storage solutions, ensuring tools are organized and easily accessible. Portability. The toolbox bundle allows for easy transport of tools to different job sites or around the home. Brand reputation. BLACK+DECKER is a trusted brand known for quality and reliability in the tool industry. Cons: battery life. Some users may find that the battery life of the drill/driver could be improved, especially for longer projects. Limited accessories. While the accessory set is comprehensive, some users may require additional specialized tools not included in the kit. Rating. The Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Home Tool Kit earns a 4-star rating. It offers versatility, durability, and convenience, but improvements could be made in battery life and accessory variety. Summary. The Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Home Tool Kit with 20V Max drill/driver and 83-piece accessory set, along with the toolbox bundle, provides DIY enthusiasts with essential tools and storage solutions. While the drill/driver and toolboxes offer versatility and durability, there is room for improvement in battery life and accessory variety. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners looking to tackle various projects around the home. Find it on Amazon, affiliate link in the description.